Wang Jiangjiang, 38, has dedicated himself to documenting intangible cultural heritage in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region for about 13 years. Wang studied at Xi'an Conservatory of Music and then went to Italy to learn opera performance and composition. Starting in 2009, he began collecting folk songs in China and was attracted by mukam the first time he saw it in a documentary. Mukam means classical music in the Uyghur language. It is a traditional art of this ethnic group, integrating songs, dances, and literature, and hailed as the encyclopedia of their history and social life. Wang and his team have traveled to over 300 villages and towns in Xinjiang and formed the digital archive for mukam.
我们主要是深入到南北疆，记录我们的非物质文化遗产的艺术形式。我们会通过影像、文字、照片、录音来进行完整的一个资料的一个记录。
With the support of the local government, 45 varieties of mukam and oral biographies of 77 mukam inheritors have been documented by Wang's team.
其实新疆有多个民族、多种的艺术表现的形式。其实新疆不只是有歌舞，我们还有非常丰富多彩的民俗文化，还有手工艺的这样的文化。欢迎大家有更多的人能够来新疆，能体验这些不一样的、非遗的这样的艺术形式。
In recent years, Xinjiang has established 120 region-level intangible cultural heritage protection and inheritance bases, 6 Uyghur mukam art inheritance centers, and 10 inheritance centers for other types of art.